Vehicle off-road? We know that it's frustrating. From that moment, we're focused on sourcing the correct parts to complete the job and get you back on your way. 95% of parts are usually on the shelf at dealerships, ready to go onto vehicles. To achieve such world-class standards, we use our Managed Dealer Inventory Tool, MDI. This stock is supported by the 24-hour Parts Distribution Centre, also known as the PDC, based in Leyland, Lancashire, which can source a part for the same or very next day. Over at the PDC, the team works hard to ensure that there is adequate part stocks on hand to send out to dealerships at all times. They are supported by several additional parts distribution centres across the EU. The Leyland PDC has £20 million of part stock from 600 different suppliers, fueling an impressive 96% fill rate. PACCAR Parts team work hard to ensure that the parts are of the very best quality, with strict processes in place to thoroughly check each and every part that enters the PDC. It's then on to the order pickers, who locate the part needed for the customer. With voice picking technology, the pickers are able to locate the correct part quickly and efficiently. We're proud to have an industry-leading first-time pick rate of 99.995%. Once the part is located, it's loaded onto the truck and sent out to the dealership the same day. When the part arrives at the dealership, it's straight into the workshop, ready for fitting onto the vehicle. And that's it! VOR to back on the move in 24 hours. All thanks to the finely tuned parts service of PACCAR Parts. With 140 DAF and TRP parts dealership locations across the UK, you can count on parts to be readily available to get your vehicle back on the road as soon as possible.